The history of Japan is a rich tapestry that spans thousands of years, marked by periods of both isolation and profound interaction with the rest of the world. The earliest known inhabitants of Japan were the Jomon people, who lived during the Jomon period, 14,000 BCE to 300 BCE. They were hunter-gatherers known for their distinctive pottery. Around 300 BCE, the Yayoi people began to arrive from the Asian continent, bringing with them agriculture, metalworking, and new cultural practices, marking the start of the Yayoi period, 300 BCE to 300 CE. During the Kofun period, 300 CE to 538 CE, the foundations of the Japanese state were laid. This era is named after the large burial mounds, Kofun, built for powerful leaders, symbolizing the consolidation of power and the emergence of a ruling class. Buddhism was introduced to Japan from Korea in the 6th century, profoundly influencing Japanese society and culture. The Asuka period, 538 CE to 710 CE, saw the establishment of the first centralized government and adoption of Chinese writing and political institutions. The subsequent Nara period, 710 CE to 794 CE, was named after the capital city of Nara and was characterized by the flourishing of Buddhism and literature. The Heian period, 794 CE to 1185 CE, is often considered Japan's classical era, a time of courtly culture, poetry, and the creation of notable works such as The Tale of Genji. Following the Heian period, Japan entered the feudal era with the Kamakura period, 1185 CE to 1333 CE, marked by the rise of the samurai warrior class and the establishment of a shogunate government. This period was followed by the Muromachi period, 1336 CE to 1573 CE, which saw the flourishing of Zen Buddhism and the onset of the Sengoku, or Warring States, period. The Azuchi Momoyama period, 1573 CE to 1603 CE, brought unification under powerful daimyo such as Oda Nobunaga and Toyotomi Hideyoshi. The following Edo period, 1603 CE to 1868 CE, established long-lasting peace under the Tokugawa shogunate. Isolationist policies, sakoku, helped maintain stability and fostered a distinct culture, including the development of kabuki theater and ukiyo-e art. The arrival of Commodore Perry in 1853 ended Japan's isolation and ushered in the Meiji Restoration, 1868 CE to 1912 CE, a period of rapid modernization and industrialization. Japan emerged as a major world power during the Taisho, 1912 CE to 1926 CE, and early Showa periods, 1926 CE to 1989 CE, but its imperial ambitions led to its participation in World War II. After its defeat in 1945, Japan underwent significant reconstruction and transformation, evolving into a democratic nation with a strong economy. Today, Japan is known for its technological advancements, rich cultural heritage, and global influence.